How to fix the WhatsApp broadcast list limit 2025. Are you trying to send an important update to your team or customers only to be stopped by the dreaded limit reach notification on WhatsApp? In 2025, WhatsApp remains strict about its broadcast limits to prevent spam, which can be a massive headache for growing businesses. Today, I'm going to show you how to navigate the current limits and, more importantly, the official way to fix or bypass them so you can reach thousands of people at once. The standard WhatsApp app has a hard cap of 256 contacts per broadcast list. If you've hit that ceiling, you aren't stuck, you just need to change your strategy. In this tutorial, I'll cover the manual workaround for small groups and the professional solution for those who need to send unlimited messages. Step 1. The multiple list workaround. If you have 500 contacts, the quickest free fix is to create 2 separate broadcast lists. Go to your chats, tap Broadcast Lists, and select New List. Add your first 256 contacts. Then, create a second list for the remaining names. You can copy and paste the same message into both lists. It's a bit more work, but it doubles your reach instantly. Step 2. Ensure your number is saved. This is the most common fix for messages not being delivered. WhatsApp broadcasts only work if the recipient has your phone number saved in their contacts. If you're at your limit but people aren't seeing your messages, send a one-on-one text first asking them to save your contact card. Without this, your broadcast is essentially invisible. Step 3. Transition to the WhatsApp Business API. If you need to reach more than 256 people without managing dozens of lists, the real fix is moving to the WhatsApp Business API. Unlike the standard app, the API uses a tier system. New accounts start at Tier 1, which allows you to message 1,000 unique users per day. As you send more high-quality messages, Meta automatically upgrades you to Tier 2 10 queues, Tier 3 100 queues, and eventually unlimited messaging. Step 4. Use WhatsApp channels. For 2025, if your goal is just to broadcast information rather than have a private conversation, create a WhatsApp channel. Channels have no follower limit. You can have millions of people subscribe to your updates, and they don't even need to have your number saved to see your posts. Pro tip, if you're using the Business API, keep an eye on your quality rating in the Meta Business Suite. If too many people block you or report your broadcast as spam, your limit will actually be decreased or your account suspended. Always include an opt-out or reply stop to unsubscribe message at the bottom to keep your rating high and your limits expanding. Managing a growing audience doesn't have to mean hitting a wall. If this video helped you understand how to scale your WhatsApp outreach, hit that like button and subscribe for more business tech tips. Are you moving over to channels or sticking with broadcast lists? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.